Welcome back to Josh's place. I just finished sanding it down, and now you can tell it's pretty good. It kind of looks like it's part of this grain right here, but it's not. See here? And I got some other holes to fill that I didn't really see when I was doing this part. You can tell they're separate pieces, but there is no, you can't really tell. And then once like you paint it, you definitely won't be able to tell. It looks like one piece of wood. Okay. I just figured I'd show you that. And till next time. Like and subscribe if you'd like. And I'll see you later.